Welcome to a journey through the amazing history of the universe. We will start from its beginning, from the Great Explosion, and we will follow the succession of events that have shaped the universe as we know it today. Get ready to discover the secrets of infinity. The Great Explosion. It all began over 13.7 billion years ago, with an event of unimaginable proportions, the Great Explosion, or Big Bang. In an instant, the universe was unleashed in a gigantic flame, giving rise to space, time, and matter itself. The first subatomic particles began to form and the conditions were created for the development of life. The formation of galaxies. After the Great Blast, the universe was hot and dense. The particles joined together, forming hydrogen and helium atoms. Over the millennia, these huge clouds of gas began to collapse under the influence of gravity, giving birth to the first galaxies. The forces at play created star clusters, elegantly intertwined spirals and cosmic structures that stretched for billions of light years. The birth of the stars. Inside the galaxies, huge clouds of gas and cosmic dust created the ideal conditions for star birth. Gravity acted as a catalyst, collapsing these clouds and generating regions of very high density. In these areas, the temperature and pressure rose to incredible levels, triggering nuclear reactions that generated energy. The first stars appeared, illuminating the universe with their incandescent light. The formation of planetary systems. Around the young stars, the remnants of the gas and dust clouds began to condense, forming protoplanetary disks. Within these disks, grains of matter coalesced and accumulated, creating planets. Our solar system itself took shape in this way, with the Sun at its center and the planets orbiting it. One of these planets, the Earth, became the ideal place for the emergence of life. The origin of life on Earth. Billions of years ago, the Earth was a hostile and lifeless place. However, thanks to complex chemical processes and favorable circumstances, the first forms of life developed. Microscopic single-celled organisms began populating the primordial oceans, giving rise to what we call life on Earth. Through a long process of evolution, these organisms evolved into more complex life forms, such as plants and animals. The evolution of life. Over the millennia, life on Earth has evolved in an extraordinary way. Species have adapted to their surroundings, new characteristics have developed, and increasingly complex organisms have emerged. From ancient marine organisms to land-dwelling creatures, evolution has spawned a diversity of life forms that enriches our planet. Space exploration. During the 20th century, humanity began to explore space. The first space probes reached the moon, and subsequently missions were sent further and further away. Thanks to the advancement of technology, we have been able to observe planets, stars, galaxies, and discover cosmic wonders that defy our imagination. Humanity in cosmic context. Today, humanity stands at an unprecedented time in history. We know better our place in the universe and understand the fragility of our planet. We are aware of the importance of preserving and protecting life on Earth and of exploring new horizons in space. We are just a small part of a vast universe, but our desire for knowledge and adventure knows no bounds. The universe is a fascinating and ever-changing story. From the Great Explosion to the appearance of life on Earth, the journey has been long and complex. We are witnessing an extraordinary reality, and it is up to us, as custodians of this beautiful planet, to continue to explore, discover and preserve the universe around us.